In this section, Vital Records, we'll explore birth, marriage and death records for pre-1837 and post-1837. Now remember that these records, parish records before 1837 and civil registration records after 1837 were never produced with us as family historians in mind. So it may be difficult to track individual people through these records, but it's certainly not impossible. And with the tips in this section, where to find these records, you should find your ancestors at least back to 1837, possibly further back in time. Do remember that the records I'm talking about here are English and Welsh records in the United Kingdom, not necessarily Scottish, Northern Ireland or Ireland records.